Excuse me, are you English? No, I am Bangladeshi. Do you speak in English? A little, but not very well. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Are you married? Yes, I am married. How long have you been here? About 25 years. That means by birth. How many children do you have? I have two sons. How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. How are you? I'm fine. And you? Would you like to have coffee? No thanks. I like tea. What are you planning to do today? I am not sure. Would you like a drink? No, I don't like drink. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we are ready. Anything else? Nothing else. Who would you like to speak to? I would like to speak to Mr. Robert, please. When will he back? He will be back in 20 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I am allergic to seafood. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Are you sick? No, I am not sick. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. How far is it? About 20 kilometers.